This is the TxT and this is the devlog I have been waiting for ever since I have started this project. That's because I already implemented all the big features that I need to finally start using TxTs Treasury myself. Well, so all I did this time was fixing a lot of little issues, and I have also improved the usability by a lot. And with that, here's a list of all the things that I have changed. You can now create new accounts, recipients and tags right from the detail page of transactions. There now is a fancy Save a New button that creates a new element right away. I refactored all of the detail pages to share their codebase. Detail pages are then customized through a big configuration object. You can now use your keyboard to perfectly navigate the detail pages. When you click the Save a New button, then the first element in the form is highlighted again automatically. Timestamps in transactions are now not changing anymore after you save them, because time zones suck. The transactions detail page now opens to the side, which looks cooler and allows you to view and edit data at the same time. You can now view the count of elements in a table and even get a sum of all the elements in the transactions table. When adding a new transaction, the tags are automatically initialized using the tags of the recipient you choose. Bulk editing transactions now doesn't remove tags anymore. Filtering after tags actually works with multiple tags in a transaction now. Well, that's quite a bit of stuff. All those changes really improve the general usability of TxTs Treasury a ton. It's working so well now that I don't even have to touch my old disgusting Excel sheet anymore. Even after adding all of my about 1,500 transactions, 54 recipients and 40 tags, everything still feels fairly smooth. The only performance issue I have so far is that sometimes transactions take upward of a second to save, but I haven't looked into the cause of that yet. Another area to work on is the charts. The ones I have already added are mostly useless at this point. I do have lots of ideas and great plans to improve on that, but that will require massive changes to the backend as well. I haven't really touched that a lot since the first devlog came out, but that will change with the next one. I'm gonna do something that might be a little bit stupid, however it is going to be a great learning opportunity for me. That's gonna be rewriting the entire backend, but this time using Rust instead of TypeScript. No, not the game, I of course mean the programming language. I can't wait to tell you about that experience next time. I haven't really done a lot with Rust yet, but I am eager to learn it properly. Well then, get subscribed so you don't miss that, have a great time and see you all soon.